It shouldn't come as a surprise to anyone, but it's a black mark nonetheless. The latest World Bank report says Delhi has the worst air quality of 381 cities in developing countries. 4 Indian cities lead the World Bank's list. After Delhi, there's Patna, Gwalior and Raipur, which come in at 2nd, 3rd and 4th place respectively.
This is what makes Delhi, our national capital, one of the most unlivable cities in the planet. Air pollution, a silent killer, now so bad that Delhi maintains its dubious distinction of being the world's most polluted city.
वैसे तो कोई मास्क वगैरह जैसे है ना, इस तरीके की कोई चीज़ तो मिलती नहीं है। हम रुमाल वगैरह ये इससे मुंह ढक लेते हैं। कभी ऐसा होता है कि नहीं भी लगाते रुमाल वगैरह, वैसे भी कर लेते हैं। जैसे गले में खरांश है या कभी-कभी ज़्यादा खड़े रहते हैं तो सांस फूलने वाली दिक्कतें, इस तरीके की दिक्कतें आती हैं।
सुबह के टाइम जब हम उठते हैं, ब्रश करते हैं, कोलगेट करते हैं, कुल्ला करते हैं, तो थूक के बजाय जो है ना पोल्यूशन की गांठ निकल के आती है मुंह से। आँखों में जलन होती है, आँखों में सुबह इतनी मिट्टी निकल के यहाँ पे जमी हुई होती है बहुत ज़्यादा।
In its latest report on the quality of air in cities around the World Bank says air pollution levels in Delhi are 3 times higher than Beijing. New Delhi is ranked an abysmal 110 of 140 countries in the Livability Index, and the population of Delhi will zoom to 250 million by 2030, which means that housing, infrastructure and basic urban services are struggling to keep pace.
The implication of the new data is that because of air pollution, quality of life is deteriorating dramatically in South Asia and in India. Because of the poverty, malnourishment, the effect of air pollution on the population in this part of the world is going to be much worse. So this is a call for a very urgent action.
The report says India and its neighbours are suffering from governance deficit, of resource deficit, empowerment deficit and accountability deficit. And also going on to say that unless India and its neighbours are able to address their housing issues, their infrastructure issues and issues of urban services, the pollution levels in India and South Asia will not reduce. With camp person Girish, Bhairavi Singh, NETV.